Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's time for the YouTube template. Even though Fowl has a dedicated chapter, YouTube template is actually wrong. It's a local video template. So he actually doesn't cover this at all. But because he mentioned that, let's do it. So what is a YouTube template? So let's go meta and have this YouTube video. I pasted this on the clipboard. I don't care if there's extra metadata like the channel, the index, and whatever. If you want to play safe, you can also do share and copy that. You still have some stuff here, even though. Now we will do, by the way, that's the local video template. Now we want to paste this to create a new. Do you remember? Create new article. Control N. Can't reach this page. It doesn't work. That is because it's funny timing that I'm recording this now, because time to time Supermemo website is down, and Supermemo actually what it does, in the bin folder we have the, what is YouTube HTML. That's what we are seeing within Supermemo. Here you go. And if we take a look at the code, do you see supermemory.info? That's a domain from Supermemo. Then, if we open this as just text, that's actually what it is. Just this. Those are all the contents. And this is not working. There is a fix. Depending when you see this video, it's likely that this may happen eventually, time to time. There's a fix. I very strongly suggest to use this solution. This is from Funcodo, a Supermemo user in the community that developed this app. That basically you can run your own version of YouTube, and then he added more features like that. You can download the video locally and more stuff. There's another one that he did. If you don't want that because it runs like a server, this kind of thing, you want something more simple, it's just this, the Supermemo HTML. YouTube HTML, if you remember, it's this file. And it's as easy as download this file and download it. So let's do that. Now, download, it's there. I will just do drag and drop in this case. And replace. Nice. Now let's see what changed. That means that instead of using this, the YouTube subdomain of Supermemo, if the website, your servers, are down, are buggy or whatever, there's a backup. And the backup uses Funcodo's GitHub page. So let's try. Remember, tell me what happened here, why it's still not working. It's very easy. It has to be done in the install folder. So I'm actually wrong. It's not here. Here is when I have my personal collections that I use for Git. I synchronize this with Git. So where I need to go is actually on the installation files. Here. This happened the same last time with Supermemo CSS. Happened the same thing. So we overwrite the file here. And now let's try again. And here you go. You need to restart Supermemo perhaps. And now it's working. Easy, right? Now let me stop. Then what you will do is stop. You have all of those options, extracts. This is for the flow of incremental video. It's not part of the template. But the point is that while you're watching the video, then here I take my notes. That, hey, yeah, how to do templates. Do this, do that, avoid this bug, in this case, because it's the video I'm reacting to, and so on. For instance, you have chapters. Multiple choice question. You could make an extract out of that, so you process this in parallel with the rest of the video, if you want to. So, much later, many videos later, we will see in the last chapter, in the second last section, the incremental learning flow, how this actually works. If it happens like this, that it doesn't play ever, it's a bug with Internet Explorer. This happens with old versions of Windows 10, like this computer. It has to be like 10, 12 years old. It has to be really, really old. If you have a modern computer with a modern Windows, this won't happen, so no worries. So remember, the only thing you need to do is downloading this file, link in the description, and if you want to take it to the next level, is this one. And it's more advanced. Supermemo.js. That's all for now. See you in the next video.